When should you replace your tires? There is a lesson that your driver's education course might not have covered. Or perhaps you were taught, but you no longer remember. In any case, the moment has come to deal with it. When should tires be changed? Like it or not, your tires will eventually get too worn to drive safely. Knowing when to change them could be the difference between life and death in an accident. Do your tires pass the penny test? The simplest method to determine whether you need new tires is the penny test. Take a quarter and flip the head of Lincoln so that it is facing you. Then, shimmy it between the tire ridges. Is Lincoln's head partially hidden by the tires? That's good news if it is. It indicates that there is still more tread on your tires than 2/32 of an inch. They are completely safe to use while driving. It's time to change your tires if you can see the president's head from the top of them. They are too exhausted. How does the age test work? The penny test, however, might not be entirely accurate. Even if they appear to be brand new, worn tires aren't always safe to drive on. Tires have an expiration date, much like food. Tire replacement is advised by the National Highway Traffic Safety Administration after 10 years. Yes, even if this is the first time they have been used. Tires must be replaced as they lose reliability with time. Each tire manufacturer states how long their tires last. To find out if it's time to buy new tires for yours, check the user handbook online if you're unclear about yours. Is changing your tires really necessary? You might be asking yourself at this point, I've driven on tires that were a little bit worn down before, and nothing happened. Do I really need to invest in new ones at a cost? The reply is unequivocal, you do, indeed. Approximately 600 people every year pass away in car accidents involving tires. It usually results from a mix of poor driving conditions and worn tires. Imagine being on a highway in a torrential downpour. You apply the brakes when you see something on the road, a car part, a pothole, or an animal. Your tires won't provide as much traction on the road if they are worn out. Your car is thus sent into swift, perilous spins that could be fatal. That is merely one of the several drawbacks of aging tires. The cost of maintaining a car is always worthwhile. The best time to buy tires. The optimum time to replace your tires is right now if you've seen wear indicators. Waiting a few days or weeks for an imminent sale is useless. Do it now. But if you frequently check your tires, you can be rewarded for your diligence. Tire sales often start in the middle of spring and the middle of fall. Additionally, merchants usually offer discounts on tires around holiday weekends like Memorial Day and Labor Day. You might be able to take advantage of one of those offers and keep your tires in your garage until you need to replace them. There is more to safe driving. It goes without saying that having well-maintained tires keeps you secure. Being a responsible driver means maintaining your car. But if you really want to excel as a driver, and why wouldn't you? There is something else you can do.